I was expecting the Cook Strait to be a lot rougher, but it was pretty smooth sailing really. There wasn't really that much swell until we got closer to Wellington. Good breeze. We were, I wouldn't say sending it, but no, it was good sailing across.
Yeah. And the Cook Strait has the reputation of being always rough, so we've been lucky. We just enjoyed it. It was a good night sail.
Yeah, so I've done a lot of ocean racing. So with us, every little tweak in the sails or movement is very important, and you have to be always switched on. We run a pretty tight shift, 4 hours on, 4 hours off. But it was quite nice being on the waka and really just kind of taking it in and hearing more about the stories and the voyaging and the navigation is completely different. You know, when we're racing, we have GPS, weather, routing coming to us. We've got internet, but with the waka, it's all about the elements. You know, the stars, the moon, the sun, the wind, the current, the birds, and learning more about that was very interesting.
The base is just that we are 16 on board and we run 3 watches and we just get to the place where we have to go. Yeah, in open ocean crossing, it's especially in the navigator's mind, it's a different setup. That's why they said that Maui hooked the island and pulled it, because the island came to him. It's not you going to the island. It's a different vision of it.
I think on any waka or canoe or boat, yacht, ship, it's always the same. You know, teamwork is the most important thing on board a vessel, especially when you're out at sea and you're relying on everybody else. And it's and obviously the same on here on the waka. But on here, it's more about the family. You step on and you immediately feel like you're a family, which I'm so grateful for.